Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Once the inbound shipment plan is approved by Amazon and related pickings for that particular inbound shipment is created in the system, the next step, irrespective of the inbound shipment type, is updating the carton content information on Amazon. In today's video, we will see the whole process of updating the carton content information on Amazon. So here I am on my Odoo database. I'll quickly go to the Amazon application. I'll go to the inbound shipments that has been created and approved by Amazon. I'll go to the specific inbound shipment for which the pickings has already been created. Updating the carton content information on Amazon is required because based on this information, Amazon will generate unique labels for each of the carton. User can import this information either manually. So if I want to import this information manually, I can add it over here. Here I can add the dimensions, box number, weight, box expiration date, and the product details. The second option, I can import it via CSV file. So here I can see a button to import box content information. As I click here, this pop-up will appear on my screen from where I can download the sample file. In this file, I can update my information, and once the information gets updated, I can import it through that screen. Now let me explain you the field that is required in this file. The first is the box number. This box number must be unique. We can start from 1 for each and every new inbound shipment. The next one is weight. Weight is required and this value will be either in pound or in kilograms. This is the required field. The next is dimension name. Again, this is the required one. You can name this dimension as per your requirement. The next is dimension type. The dimension type that can be either in unit or pack or box or pallet. The next field is dimension unit. This unit will be the unit of measurement of the dimension that can be either in inches or centimeters. Then the height of the dimension, then the width of the dimension, then the next is the length of the dimension, and this is the seller SKU. Now say for example, a particular box contains multiple SKU, then here you need to add multiple lines with the same box number. So in box number 1, the seller SKU can be this, or there can be another SKU also given for against the same box number. Then the next is the quantity, the number of quantities of that particular SKU which the box may contain, and the expiration date. If the product contains in the box is having an expiration date, then we need to specify the expiration date, and accordingly the box is to be prepared. Now once this file is ready, I can go back to the Odoo screen and here I can upload this file. Once the file is uploaded, this dimension will be visible here on the screen. Now once I have uploaded this file in Odoo, I can see an option update carton content information. I need to click on this information and then I need to wait for some time because Amazon takes approx 120 seconds to update this carton content information on Amazon and get the carton content result back. After 2 minutes, user can click on get carton content result and they can verify that. Now during this updating process, if there is any error, then system will again move to the first step and their user might need to resolve the issue, and after that they can follow the entire process again. There can be several reasons behind this failure, like there is any mismatch in the quantity, there is any duplication in the box number, etc., or there might be any invalid extra items which is added in that particular file. So this can be several reasons behind the error. User need to resolve that and again follow the same process. So this was all about updating carton content information on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.